Hello, welcome to TBN. I'm going to begin by starting this video off with how to calculate moles and grams of a compound. So for the first example, you are given 8.35 moles of copper 1 carbonate. Find mass in grams. So if you don't know what copper carbonate is written out as copper being Cu1+, and then carbonate is actually written out CO3 with a 2 minus charge. So when you put these two together, you get Cu2CO3. So to find the amount of grams of copper carbonate, that's what you have to figure out first. So by looking at the periodic table, so for copper, first and foremost, you have two coppers as seen in this compound. So you have two coppers, and you have to multiply that by the amount of grams. So the AMU is 63.55. And you should get 127.1 grams of copper. Now with carbon, you only have one carbon, so that you only have 12.01 grams of carbon. And then for oxygen, you actually have three oxygens, so it's 3 times 16 grams. So then that gives you 48 grams of carbon. When you add all this up, you should get a total of 187.11 grams of carbon carbonate per mole. So now that you have calculated the grams per mole of copper carbonate, copper 1 carbonate, you can finally figure out the mass in grams. So first start off with what you have to convert, so 8.35 moles of Cu2CO3, and you have to multiply that to convert to grams, so then you put 1 mole in the bottom and 187.11 grams of carbon 1 carbonate at the top. So the point of writing it this way is that you have to cancel out the moles. So moles cancel out, you're left with grams, and then what you should get for your answer is around 1,562 grams. But the way I'm going to write it out is it's going to be in sig figs. So as you can see, you started out with 8.35 moles, so that's three significant figures. So the way I would write it out is in scientific notation. So 1.56 times 10 to the 3, because 3 decimal places, because 1, 2, 3, grams of copper 1 carbonate. Alright, well that's my video. Thanks for listening. So, happy studying.